If I didn't eat that granola bar, then who did? That thought hit me as I unzipped my tent at sunrise. My backpack was half open, crumbs all over the ground. I froze. Did I forget to close it? Or was something else enjoying a midnight snack? I scanned the campsite. No paw prints, no tracks, just silence. Then crunch. Behind me. I spun around, heart racing, only to find a squirrel proudly munching the wrapper like it just conquered Everest. Relieved, I laughed until I realized it wasn't my wrapper. Mine was still in my pocket. So whose granola bar did I actually eat last night?